Hey guys, this is Lisa at Fontsy, and today I'm going to show you how to create a mock-up using Cricut Design Space. Thing you want to do is upload your mock-up image. So go to Upload and then click Upload Image, click Browse, and I'm going to use this black patriotic t-shirt mock-up from the Mix and Match SVG and mock-up bundle. So let's click Open on that, and then you're going to choose Complex. Click Continue. This will bring up the image so you can just check it out, but I'm going to leave it as is. So click Continue again. And now you're going to choose the print then cut version. So let's click Upload on that. And it'll just take a moment or two for it to upload into Cricut Design Space. Now, if you're using a mock-up, let me just select this first and then click Insert Images. Okay, what I was saying is if you're going to use a mock-up that is super large, which most of them in this bundle are, I resize this image first inside of Photoshop because, I mean, you could use anywhere where you resize images, but this mock-up is very large and would take about 5 to 8 minutes for it to upload into Design Space at the full size. So I just quickly resized it and then uploaded it here so it would go quickly. All right, so now what we need is the SVG design. So go to Upload and click Upload Image, and then let's browse for our SVG. I'm using this America Rainbow SVG design. Again, both of these can be found in the Mix and Match SVG and Mockup bundle. Let's click that, and we're going to upload that into Design Space. We'll select it and click Insert Images, and now it'll place that right here on my screen. So I'm going to just, quickly resize this so it fits on this t-shirt a little bit better, and then just kind of play with it a little bit, maybe zoom in so you can see what it looks like there. Okay, so I really like how this looks, but if I wanted to change the color, so say I wanted to make this blue, I wanted to show the customer in a lighter blue color, I could change that. I could change this part of it to something that's a little bit lighter, like a pink. And then, all right, so I'm good to go. And what I want to also do is just put a quick watermark or logo on it to send it over to my customer. So I uploaded the Fontsy logo. So I'm going to insert that design, and that is very large. So let's make that like 1 inch. There we go. And let's just place that down here. Let's place this over here, my image. All right, so now I have this image here in Cricut Design Space, but no way to export it as a JPEG or a PNG file to share. So what you're going to want to do is print the screen. If you're using a PC, you're going to take a screenshot. So if you're using a PC, you'll press the Windows key and print screen, and that'll automatically save the screenshot to your computer wherever you save those. But I'm on a Mac, so I'm going to hold down Command, Shift, and 4, and that's going to bring up this little cursor here with the crosshairs. And then I'm going to take this and drag it across my image to get a nice looking closer mock-up, and then just let go, and it's going to save it automatically to my screenshot folder. So I'm all set now. Now I just have to navigate there and send it over to my customer. So it's very simple. If you have any questions, please let us know, but we hope this was helpful, and thanks for hanging out with us today.